Every day at 3 p.m., Wall Street starts a burn window where the value of certain stocks is thrown into the fire. For traders in the know, this is not a catastrophe. It can actually be a very strong profit signal. And if you click here right now, I'll show you exactly how I've used this predictable burn window to pocket steady overnight gains on seemingly tanking stocks. Plus, how you could easily use the same strategy without risking your savings, betting on the next stock market unicorn. You see, one major mistake a lot of traders make is that they're so focused on finding the single monster trade that could retire them on the spot, that one stock that's going to be the next Google, Facebook, or Tesla. And while that could be part of your overall strategy, it should not be the primary way that you make money off the stock market. People always say that you need to diversify your portfolio, but they never talk about diversifying your strategies. You also need a strategy that could help you make a consistent profit every day. So while you're searching for that one next jackpot stock, you could have a reliable method for producing a steady income from the smart stock market. That's exactly what burn notices could help. Market anomaly that creates a 3 p.m. burn window every day. Certain stocks look like they're tanking, have a great chance to rebound the next morning. We've often seen these stocks deliver double-digit gains overnight, and make no mistake, just because these wins are smaller than astronomical gains you could have gotten from sitting in stocks like Tesla, the consistent nature of these smaller wins more than makes up for it. With the power of compounding, these steady wins could steadily add up. If you'd like to see how to tap into these lucrative burn notices for yourself, click here right now and I'll show you my exact process for finding and trading on these burn notices and how they've already identified double-digit gains overnight. Hi, my name is Jeff Zananeri, and this is the exact strategy we used at my old hedge fund to grow our $5 million into over $700 million. And if you had known about this powerful, reliable trading strategy, you could have cashed in on daily gains like 64% overnight on L brands, 17% gain on Twitter in one night the next morning. And just one day later, another winner, 13% on Chevron. Then, to close off the same week, you could have woken up the next morning with an overnight 54% on Albemarle. While these gains wouldn't necessarily have retired you on the spot, they could quickly stack up and have already given the people who are quick to start using burn notices the chance to grow their portfolio faster than they ever thought possible. If you want to see how we've tapped into these lucrative burn notices, creating steady compounding gains almost daily, then click here right now, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. You don't need to wait for the stock market unicorn to make you rich. Instead, you could start following the strategy today. And even if you don't find the next Facebook or Google, burn notice has shown that they can compound into decent stock market income. Sure, you probably won't be buying a yacht tomorrow. That said, this strategy doesn't require you to risk your pension on a super volatile Hail Mary either. And if you've been on 3 burn notice trades I mentioned earlier, you could have already paid off some credit card debt, taken a chunk off your mortgage, or even secured an emergency fund. When you have something as predictable as burn notices to rely on, the choice is yours. Click here to watch my free training and see how you could get started today. I'll see you on the inside. LFG.